بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين صلى الله على سيدنا وحبيب قلوبنا وشفيع ذنوبنا أبي القاسم محمد وعلى آل بيته الطيبين الطاهرين. Dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. عظم الله أجورنا وأجوركم, and we send our condolences to our beloved Sahib al-Asr wa Zaman, عجل الله تعالى فرجه الشريف. I want to start with a brief introduction so you can get a clear picture of what we are about to do. We are talking about the tragedy, the saga of Karbala, in which two camps, two armies, the army of the truth and the army of falsehood. The army of the truth, the army of Imam Hussein salamullahi ta'ala alayh, with 72 men, 32 cavalry, 40 infantry. The largest numbers may take out the number of the army of Imam Hussein alayhi salam, maximum up to 200. But the ones that most authentic that we depend on is the 72. On the right flank, Zuhair ibn al-Qayn. On the left flank, Habib ibn Mudahir. In the heart, it was Imam Hussein alayhi salam, and carrying the banner was Al-Abbas salamullahi ta'ala alayh. Now when we look at the assembly of the army of Ibn Ziyad la'natullahi ta'ala alayh, it started with 4,000 soldiers that were guarding the crossroads leading to Karbala, and then Umar ibn Sa'ad from Ad-Daylam and Ray came with another 4,000. Al-Hurr at the beginning, he came with another 1,000. They all joined Umar ibn Sa'ad, and few more started joining, 3,000, 2,000, and some of the numbers they narrate, Ibn Tawus rahmatullahi ta'ala alayh said up to 20,000 soldiers. Al-Allama al-Majlisi raises the number to 30,000 soldiers. Ibn Shahrashub raises it to 35,000 to face the 72 men. 35,000. Some of the narrators take it up to 100,000, dear brothers and sisters. The most authentic, the ones, if we want to go with the least amount, definitely it was 20,000 and above. Dear brothers and sisters, they say the army of Bani Umayyah, the army of the enemies of Allah, Amr ibn al-Hajjaj al-Zubaydi took the right flank. Shibr ibn al-Jawshan la'natullahi ta'ala alayh took the left flank. On the horsemen, it was Uzrat ibn al-Qais al-Ahmasi. On the infantry, it was Shibth ibn Rab'i, and Durayd Mawla Amr ibn Sa'ad was given the banner. Dear brothers and sisters, it was on the 2nd of Muharram that Al-Hurr ibn Yazid al-Riyahi, he received the orders from Ibn Ziyad to stop Imam Hussein alayhi salam. But it was on the 7th of Muharram where Umar ibn Sa'ad stopped anyone from the camp of Imam Hussein alayhi salam to reaching the water. And until this day, today, the camp of Imam Hussein alayhi salam did not taste the water. تزكية لقلوبنا وتطهيرا لنفوسنا وتعجيلا لفرج سيدنا ومولانا بقية الله الأعظم الحجة ابن الحسن المهدي، أرواحنا وأرواح العالمين لتراب مقدمه الفدا. عطروا مجالسكم بالصلاة على محمد وآل محمد. In the previous nights we have been talking about the different states and what happened to all of the companions, and all the events actually took place on the 10th day of Muharram. Started with dawn when Ali al-Akbar alayhi salam raised his voice calling for the adhan to pray. And throughout, the Ashab alayhim salam, Ahlul Bayt alayhim salam, until all were killed, all were massacred, and Imam Hussein alayhi salam was left with the women and the children. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله العلي العظيم إنا لله وإنا إليه راجعون صلى الله عليك سيدي ومولاي يا رسول الله صلى الله عليك سيدي ومولاي يا أبا عبد الله يا ابن رسول الله وابن أمير المؤمنين وابن فاطمة الزهراء سيدة نساء العالمين السلام عليك وعلى جدك وأبيك وأمك وأخيك وعلى الأئمة المعصومين من ذريتك السلام على الدماء السائلات بين يديك أرواحنا لك الفداء يا قتيل العدا ومسلوب العمامة والرداء أيها المذبوح من القفا يا أبا عبد الله يا رحمة الله الواسعة ويا باب نجاة الأمة غريب كربلاء مظلوم كربلاء شهيد كربلاء حسين كربلاء everyone together غريب كرب in the back with me مظلوم كربلاء outside with me شهيد كربلاء حسين كربلاء one more time together غريب مظلوم مظلوم شهيد who is that Hussein Karbala one more time for the sake of Hussein let us say out loud let us say it and echo it to Karbala غريب كربلاء مظلوم مظلوم شهيد who is that Hussein كربلاء يا ليتنا كنا معكم سادتي فنفوز فوزا عظيما. Dear brothers and sisters, we go to the 10th day of Muharram in the land of Karbala. Imam Hussein alayhi salam is standing all alone in the battlefield of Karbala against the enemies of Allah. أيها الأصحاب يا حبيب يا زهير يا مسلم أنيام أنتم. Where are you? Are you asleep? Wake up. Where are you? هل من ذاب عن حرم رسول الله. Anyone to protect the family of Prophet Muhammad. هل من مغيث يرجو الله في إغاثتنا. Who would seek for the sake of Allah, seek closeness to Allah through aiding us. They say Imam Hussein alayhi salam. Now the time for him to go into the battlefield of Karbala. He stood before the tents. He called, Ya Zainab, Ya Kulthum, Ya Fatima, Ya Sukayna, alaykunna minni salamullah. Giving them the farewell. Zainab alayha salam bringing the horse to her brother. She called the woman, قوموا إلى التوديع إن أخي دعا. Come on, all of you, for the farewell of my brother. He called. إن الفراق طويل. حسين وحسين وحسينا. حسين وحسين وحسينا. Come on, imagine Lady Zainab is calling on to the Rabab, to Layla, to Sukayna. Come on, go out, give the farewell to your father, to your husband, give the farewell to Imam Hussein. صاح المظلوم قد حان المصاب. قوم يا زينب، قوم يا رباب. The women all started walking towards the Imam. Imagine from the tent in the camp of Imam Hussein alayhi salam, the women, the children, they're all coming out towards Imam Hussein. قامت النسوان تبكي للإمام. They're all crying, shedding the tear as they see their hope about to leave to the battlefield of Karbala. وهو وحده والله والله أولى نصير. Standing alone there, no one to aid him, no one to help him. حسين وحسين وحسينا. Dear brothers and sisters, Lady Zainab in that moment calling, giving her, who can she talk to? She does not want to bother Imam Hussein. You know, they say it is as if Zainab alayha salam was talking to her mother Fatima, to her father Ali. نادت بلوعة بوداع الكريم. She looks at her brother Hussein with her heart aching, with her heart in pain. يا حسين وحسين وحسينا. Sukayna alayha salam, it comes to her father. أبا استسلمت للموت. Did you surrender to death? He tells her daughter Sukayna, look at the battlefield, look at the enemies of Allah. She says, take us back to where we came from, to our grandfather Imam Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. They say Imam Hussein hugged Sukayna, kissed Sukayna, left her where she's at. Dear brothers and sisters, they say Imam Hussein then from one of the tents, he sighted Imam Zayn al-Abidin trying to come out and fight in the battlefield. He called Lady Zainab, Ukhtah, ihbisih, hold him back, save him. So this earth is kept with a proof on it, dear brothers and sisters. Imam Hussein alayhi salam, they say he wrapped himself with old clothing so no one would be interested in it when he's laying on the grounds of Karbala. He then went out again, gave the farewell to the children and the woman. He then went and launched an attack on the enemies of Allah. Al-Mawt awla min rukub al-'ari wal-'aru awla min dukhul al-nari. You know, when Imam Hussein was on the horse fighting the enemies of Allah, as he was attacking them like a fierce lion, he was calling out, Ana al-Husayn ibn Ali, alaytu alla anthani, ahmi iyalati abi, amdi ala din al-Nabi. I am Hussein, the son of Ali. I promise never to give up. I protect the children of my parents, and I go on the way of religion of the Prophet. And he kept on reciting, La hawla wa la quwwata illa billahi al-ali al-azim. He was fighting the enemies of Allah on the camp of the enemies of Allah. Here is Umar ibn Sa'd la'natullahi alayh and Shimr ibn Dhil Jawshan. Shimr telling Amr, listen ya Amr, we will not be able to fight him. Look at him killing us left, right and center. He said, Umar told Shimr, ya Shimr, you know, divide yourselves into three groups. Those who throw the spears and arrows, those who attack him walking to him, those who attack him as a horseman. Attack him in three different ways. Umar then calls on to them, وَيْلَكُمْ أَتَدْرُونَ لِمَنْ تُقَاتِلُونَ. Do you know who you're fighting? هذا ابن الأنزع البطين, هذا ابن قتال العرب. This is the son of the one who killed all the Arabs. احملوا عليه من كل جانب. Attack him from every side. Then they were trying to distract Imam Hussein alayhi salam as he was fighting in the battlefield in the heart of Karbala. Suddenly the enemies of Allah, to distract Imam Hussein, they go and try to attack the camp where the women and the children. Imam Hussein yells at them, وَيْحَكُمْ يَا شِيعَةَ آلَ أَبِي سُفْيَانَ. Woe unto you if you have no religion. At least if you do not fear hell and heaven, at least be free in this world. And look at yourselves, you claim to be Arabs, at least be shameful for going after the women and the children. Dear brothers and sisters, you know Imam Hussein alayhi salam, imagine him in the battlefield of Karbala. He is being attacked from everywhere. He is being attacked from every side. He is fighting them with his sword. He is protecting his face with his hand. And let us talk about the arrows that are being showered on Imam Hussein alayhi salam. He is protecting his face so he can fight the enemies of Allah. In the middle of all of this, Imam Hussein alayhi salam says, Allahumma inni ashku ilayk ma yuf'alu bibni binti nabiyyik. Who who does he talk but to Allah Azza wa Jal for what he's going through, what they're doing to the son of the daughter of his Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa alihi. They say Imam Hussein alayhi salam went one more time to say the farewell, to check on the women and the children. Dear brothers and sisters, and this time around Imam Hussein alayhi salam gives the farewell. It says salam to Zainab alayhi salam. Take this moment and think with me, imagine with me this scene. Imam Hussein alayhi salam is about to go back to the battlefield, and then Zainab says, Akhi Hussein, brother Hussein. He turns back, she looks at him, she signals, come back, come back. They say Imam Hussein alayhi salam, it comes before Zainab alayhi salam, and she signals to him to dismount. He stands before her, she stands before him. Then Zainab alayhi salam takes Imam Hussein, she hugs him, she kisses him, but then she turns to the skies and raises her hands and says, Mother Fatima, take back what you trusted us with. They say Imam Hussein looked at Lady Zainab. She looked at him and said, our mother, Lady Fatima, in the last moments of her life, she called me and said, daughter Zainab. When I came close to her, she hugged me and kissed me and said, this hug and kiss is not for you, it's for your brother in the day of Muharram, Ashir of Muharram, in the land of Karbala. Hug him for me, kiss him for me. يا ليتنا كنا معكم سادتي فنفوز فوزا عظيما. Imam Hussein goes back to the battlefield of Karbala, fighting the enemies of Allah. لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله العلي العظيم. Dear brothers and sisters, until لعنة عليه أبو الحتوف الجعفي, one of the soldiers of the enemies of Allah, it throws an arrow at Imam Hussein that hit his forehead. Blood started coming out. Al-Imam al-Hussein alayhi salam, he kept on fighting, but blood is covering his eyes while he is fighting with his right, with the sword. He's protecting with the left his face, and he's wiping his eyes from the blood. Dear brothers and sisters, they say they gathered around Imam Hussein. They were trying to take him down, fighting him. They knew there is no way to find the lion of Arabia, the lion of Islam, to fight Imam Hussein. They gathered around him, throwing him with stones, throwing rocks at Imam Hussein, throwing arrows at Imam Hussein. They say until Imam Hussein was so drenched with blood, Imam Hussein alayhi salam received a rock that hit him at his forehead. Too much blood was gushing out, and the blood started flowing on the eyes of the horse itself. Dear brothers and sisters, they say Imam Hussein was taking part of his clothing to wipe his face with, when another arrow with 3 prongs came and hit hit the chest of Imam Hussein. Hussein wa Hussein wa Husseina together. Hussein, Hussein wa Husseina. Louder. Hussein وحسين. Imam Hussein alayhi salam, when he was struck with the arrow in his chest, he said, Bismillah wa billah wa ala millati Rasulillah. Then he raised in that state, blood on his face, an arrow in his chest. He raised his hand and said, Allahumma anta ta'lamu annahum yaqtuluna rajula. Lord, you know they're killing a man, not on the face of this earth someone than me, who is the son of the daughter of your prophet. Another arrow was hitting Imam Hussein. The Imam alayhi salam removed the arrow that hit him. More blood was gushing out, and he took the blood and he put it on his blessed face. Wallah, I will face Allah and the Prophet Muhammad. I will face them like this, and I will tell them, Ya Jaddi, this man and this man killed me. Ya laytana kunna ma'akum sadati. Beloved, Imam Hussein kept on fighting in the battlefield of Karbala. Dear brothers and sisters, imagine the blood, imagine where he was hit, and then Imam Hussein alayhi salam trying to defend the women and the children, fighting the enemies of Allah, until Al-La'in ibn Al-La'in, Malik ibn Al-Nasr, came to Imam Al-Hussein alayhi salam with the sword, and he hit Imam Hussein on his head. They say Imam Hussein losing the balance, another person came and he hit him on his side. A fourth person came and he hit him from the other side. They say Imam Hussein alayhi salam falling on the land of Karbala. Wa Hussein, Wa Hussein, and he was saying, هل من داب يذب عن حرم رسول الله. Anyone to protect the women and the children from the enemies of Allah. When he was laying on the grounds of Karbala, a young man from the camp of Imam Hussein, Muhammad ibn Abi Sa'id ibn Aqil ibn Abi Talib, he was a young kid. He rushed when he saw his uncle Hussein on the grounds of Karbala. He looked at his uncle laying there. He just grabbed something on the way as he was rushing to protect Imam Hussein. As he was keeping rushing, looking right and left just to go to Imam Hussein, one of the enemies of Allah kept on going after him, and as he was getting closer, he struck him. He fell on the ground. Then another young man, Abdullah ibn al-Hasan from Imam Hassan alayhi salam, when he saw his uncle in that state, he called out, Am Hussein, Uncle Hussein. They say he ran and he stood by his uncle Hussein, trying to defend this young kid, trying to defend his uncle from the swords of the enemies. And they say the enemies of Allah Azza wa Jal. Bahr ibn Ka'b la'natullahi ta'ala alayh he came to the kid and he wanted to hit him. You know, this kid, the courage he had, he goes, Wayhak ya ibn al-Khabith, you want to kill my uncle? They say he struck him down and he fell on the chest of Imam Hussein alayhi salam. Imam Hussein held him with blood coming out. He said, Ya ibn akhi, be patient, be patient. This is all in the way of Allah Azza wa Jal. They say the kid was still breathing, but Harmala la'natullahi alayh followed it with another arrow that struck him and killed him. Imam Hussein alayhi salam laying on the grounds of Karbala, he was uttering words of tasbih, of glorification to Allah. Shimr la'natullahi ta'ala alayh, he comes around and he calls on the enemies of Allah. Wayhakum, look at him, why don't you just end him? They say Zara ibn Shurayk wanted to behead the Imam, but he looked at him, he was terrified. He just struck him on his left shoulder and he moved away. Sinan ibn Anas, he hit him and he moved away. Salih ibn Wahab, he hit him and he moved away. No one had the courage, no one had the guts to come close to Imam Hussein alayhi salam. Suddenly the horse of Imam Hussein came around. Some of the narrations say it became circulated around the Imam Hussein alayhi salam, and then he took his head and he wiped it with some of the blood of Imam Hussein, and then it ran towards the camp of Imam Hussein. They say Sukaina, Zainab, all of them thought the horse is coming back, but they saw the horse without the warrior, without Hussein alayhi salam. نظرنا النساء إلى الجواد مخزيا. In a ziyarah الناحية, this is why he says والسرج عليه ملويا. The woman came out على الخدود لاطمات وبالعويل داعيات وإلى مصرع الحسين مبادرات. فواحدة تحن عليه تضمه وأخرى عليه بالرداء تضلله. Dear brothers and sisters, Kulthum, Zainab, they called wa Muhammada wa Abata wa Aliya wa Ja'fara wa Hamzata. There is Hussein laying on the grounds of Karbala, Sari'un bi Karbala. Dear brothers and sisters, Lady Zainab, in the midst of all of this, one eye was on Imam Hussein as she was standing on the hill that was close to the camp of Imam Hussein, and one eye she had on the woman and the children, making sure nothing happens to them. But when Imam Hussein alayhi salam was laying on the ground of Karbala, Lady Zainab alayhi salam started walking down towards Imam Hussein. When Zainab طلعوها, look, Umar ibn Sa'ad, the poet, he says, where's Zainab? Bring her out. Look at the hatred of Bani Umayyah. When Zainab طلعوها وحرقوا قلبها براس أخوها. Let her see what is happening to her brother. Burn her heart. ويحكم قفوا أي جليلة برزت من خدرها. The righteous woman that came out, do you know who she is? أتدرون تلك التي تأتي حافية من هي? That who's walking towards you, do you know who she is? هاي بنت الزهراء فاطمة. This is the daughter of Zahra Fatima. هاي بنت علي المرتضى, the daughter of Ali alayhi salam. Imagine the poet says, as if Zainab is saying, إجيتك فاجد الراي. I came to you, Hussein. I don't know what else to do. من الرعب تتراجف أعضاي. I was scared, but I was trying to come to you. يقولون هاي أم الخدر, هاي اخت الذبيح الماشرب ماي. Who is she? She is the sister of that who was slaughtered in Karbala with no water. They say Lady Zainab alayha salam. Now imagine, think of Al-Abbas and Imam Hussein alayhi salam. Now think of Zainab. They say Zainab alayha salam, she sat right by the body of Imam Hussein. As she was walking, the enemies of Allah casted their eyes down, made way, because they knew who this was, until she sat down by the body of Imam Hussein. She looked at Imam Hussein, she put her hands under his head, and then she said, أخي حبيبي نور عيني, brother, my beloved, the light of my eyes, Aba Abdillah, brother Hussein, talk to me for the sake of our grandfather Muhammad. Nothing was said. أخي كلمني, talk to me for the sake of our father Ali. Nothing was said. Then Lady Zainab alayha salam, taking Imam Hussein, hugging him with her arms and saying, Sayyidi, Akhi Hussein, talk to me for the sake of our mother Fatima. Imam al-Hussein barely opening his eyes, looking at Zainab and saying, Oh Khayya Zainab, sister Zainab, you broken my heart and you added to my issues. Go back to the camp and take care of the woman and the children. Dear brothers and sisters, imagine Lady Zainab in her final walk away from Imam Hussein. Ya Zainab, with me. Ya Zainab, call her. Ya Zainab, louder. Ya Zainab, everyone. Ya Zainab, in the back. Ya Zainab, louder. Ya Zainab. One more time. Ya Zainab, Ya Zainab, Ya Zainab, Ya Zainab. Dear brothers and sisters, is still laying on the grounds of Karbala, Imam Hussein alayhi salam. The enemies of Allah surrounding him. Ibn Sa'd called, yelled at them, Inzilu ilayh, pointing at Imam Hussein and him.
They say Shibr ibn Dhil Jawshan la'natullah alayh, he was wearing shoes of steel. They say, dear brothers and sisters, Hussein, Al-Shamr came down, started walking around Imam Hussein. Al-La'in ibn al-La'in was hitting Imam Hussein with his foot. Then Al-La'in ibn al-La'in, all that when Zainab alayha salam was seeing what is happening, they say, dear brothers and sisters, he sat on the chest of Imam Hussein with all his weight and what he was wearing. Shimr la'natullah alayh. With me, he is sitting on the chest of your Imam. They say he took and held the beard of Imam Hussein. Imam Hussein looked at Shimr. He said, Ataqtuluni, you kill me. Don't you know who I am? Look at Al-La'in ibn al-La'in, Shimr. He says, I know you. I truly know you. Your mother is Zahra. Your father is Ali. Your grandfather is Muhammad. And I kill you and I don't care. Dear brothers and sisters, Abu Shamr la'natullah alayh held Imam Hussein, took the dagger. Dear brothers and sisters, that he struck Imam Hussein. He beheaded Imam Hussein. He killed him. He hit him 12 times. Wa Husayna, Wa Husayna, Wa Husayna. Louder with me. Wa Husayna, وحسينا. السلام على المرمل بالدماء. السلام على خامس أصحاب الكساء. السلام على غريب الغرباء. السلام على شهيد الشهداء. السلام على ساكن كربلاء. أما يجيب المضطر إذا دعاه ويكشف السوء. أما يجيب المضطر إذا دعاه ويكشف السوء. يا حسين، يا حسين، يا حسين. Everyone, يا حسين، يا حسين، يا حسين،
يا حسين. حسين 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 حسين. يا حسين، 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 يا حسين. Can you hear it loud and clear? The call of Sayyid الشهداء. هل من ناصر ينصرنا؟ هل من ناصر ينصرنا. Can you hear it loud and clear? The call of Sayyid الشهداء. هل من ناصر ينصرنا؟ هل من ناصر ينصرنا؟ On this day of Ashura, from that land of Karbala, هل من ناصر ينصرنا؟ هل من ناصر ينصرنا؟ Can you hear it loud and clear? The call of Sayyid al-Shuhada. هل من ناصر ينصرنا؟ هل من ناصر ينصرنا؟ Can you hear it loud and clear? The call of Sayyid al-Shuhada. هل من ناصر ينصرنا؟ هل من ناصر ينصرنا؟ On this day of Ashura, from that land of Karbala, هل من ناصر ينصرنا؟ هل من ناصر ينصرنا؟ On this day of Ashura, from that land of Karbala, هل من ناصر ينصرنا؟ هل من ناصر ينصرنا؟ Battered and surrounded by the likes of Shimro Hurmala, هل من ناصر ينصرنا؟ هل من ناصر ينصرنا؟ Battered and surrounded by the likes of Shimro Hurmala, هل من ناصر ينصرنا؟ هل من ناصر ينصرنا؟ Hurt and thirsty yet his cry reaches everyone near and far. هل من ناصر ينصرنا؟ هل من ناصر ينصرنا؟ Hurt and thirsty yet his cry reaches everyone near and far. هل من ناصر ينصرنا؟ 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 There is no Qasim, no Akbar, or no Muhammad Abdullah. There is no Abbas or no Muslim Ibn Awsija.
There is no Qasim, no Akbar, or no Muhammad Abdullah. There is no Abbas or no Muslim Ibn Awsija.
There is no Qasim, no Akbar, or no Muhammad Abdullah. There is no Abbas or no Muslim Ibn Awsija. There is no Qasim, no Akbar, or no Muhammad Abdullah. There is no Abbas or no Muslim Ibn Awsija. هل من ناصر ينصرنا؟ هل من ناصر ينصرنا؟ هل من ناصر ينصرنا؟ هل من ناصر ينصرنا؟ We wish we were there to say لبيك يا ابن رسول الله. We wish we could have responded to your call of Ashura. We wish we were there to say لبيك يا ابن رسول الله. We wish we could have responded to your call of Ashura. هل من ناصر ينصرنا هل من ناصر ينصرنا هل من ناصر ينصرنا هل من ناصر ينصرنا 1400 years it's been, still it feels like yesterday. Your Halmin still resonates in the minds of your Shia. 1400 years it's been, still it feels like yesterday. Your Halmin still resonates in the minds of your Shia. هل من ناصر ينصرنا هل من ناصر ينصرنا هل من ناصر ينصرنا هل من ناصر ينصرنا We will be your messengers, we will propagate your name, we will spread the light of justice through the power of your flame. We will be your messengers, we will propagate your name, we will spread the light of justice through the power of your flame. But if we want to be this way, if we wish to sail up back, we must first begin to see, we must first begin to take. If we want to be this way, if we wish to sail up back, we must first begin to see, we must first begin to take. Every day as Ashura, every land as Karbala, kullu yawmin Ashura, kullu ardhin Karbala. Every day as Ashura, every land as Karbala, kullu yawmin Ashura, kullu ardhin Karbala. kullu yawmin Ashura, kullu ardhin Karbala, kullu yawmin Ashura, kullu ardhin Karbala. هل من ناصر ينصرنا 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 يا حسين يا حسين يا حسين حسين يا حسين حسين يا 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 حسين اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد.